Hello, and welcome to the course RabbitMQ, the complete guide with software architecture and design applications. In this course, you will learn about RabbitMQ, the most widely used message broker. You will learn how to manage its functionality from basic use to complex routing and extension plugins, which provide additional features. You will also learn how RabbitMQ can be used in enterprise software architecture to design robust and scalable systems. This course is ideal for beginners who want to learn how to use RabbitMQ and also more experienced developers and software architects who do not yet use RabbitMQ but want to learn about how RabbitMQ can fit in their system architecture. Course contents and structure. This course is structured between video tutorials explaining in detail RabbitMQ's functionality and core concepts, practical sessions that are also explained through video tutorials. This course is applicable to developers of all programming languages, as we will be using the management UI for practical demonstrations to avoid tying the examples to the syntax of a particular programming language. I am also available to answer any questions that you may have. For those of you who may not have heard of RabbitMQ, this is the most widely used message broker. It is open source, lightweight, and easy to deploy. It supports different messaging protocols, and it can be deployed to clusters to provide high availability and scalability necessary in enterprise solutions. It is used by many companies on a large scale, including Google, VMware, and Mozilla. I look forward to hearing your feedback about this course once you've subscribed. Thanks.